Hello everyone, welcome to my food channel. This is Anagha Koka, and in this today video I'll be showing you how to make a Keema Masala Baingan. Keema Masala Baingan is a unique recipe of its kind, made with minced meat, eggplant and the whole grounded spices. This particular recipe has a thick gravy texture which goes very well with bagara rice, jowari roti or even with butter naan. So do try this particular recipe, and if you have liked it, do hit the like and subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. So let's watch how to make this Keema Masala Baingan. So for making stuffed keema brinjal, first I'm going to add also keema, add little turmeric and little salt with a small glass of water, and we'll give 4 to 5 whistles and get this cooked. So here the keema is completely cooked, and now we shall use this for the stuffing, and the stock I'll use it later. In a blender, add a bunch of coriander, few garlic and green chillies. Add a spoon of cumin seeds. So we need this a coarse paste, not a complete smooth paste, and keep this aside. So for making the stuffing, I'm going to add groundnut or roasted peanut powder. To this I'm going to add half of the coriander and chilli grinded mixture. Add garam masala, add red chilli powder, add salt. Now mix this well. Add the cooked keema. Mix this well. So here the stuffing is ready, and now we shall fill the same in the brinjal or the eggplant. So take a medium sized brinjal and then give it a slit half, not complete. So like this, make it into a slit and fill the stuffing. So like this, do the same for the rest of the eggplants or the brinjals. So now all the brinjals or the eggplants are stuffed properly, and now we shall go for the next process. Add oil to the pan, add little hing, add curry leaves and little turmeric. Add this half coriander and chili paste. Next add the remaining stuffing of keema. Add little salt, add the keema stock, add garam masala, red chilli powder, glass of water and let this get completely cooked. So this is done, and now we will serve this. So here the Baigan stuffed keema masala is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do